Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sunil Chauhan, and with this video I'm starting a tutorial playlist on JavaScript, the world's most popular programming language. So if you want to follow along and learn JavaScript, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as and when I post a new video in this series. So without any further ado, let's get started with the introduction. First and foremost, let me answer the question why we should learn JavaScript. If you are considering getting into web development, JavaScript is one of the three languages you must learn. Other two being HTML, which defines the content of web pages, and CSS, which specifies the styling and layout of web pages. JavaScript is a programming language which is used to program the behavior of web pages. Let me give you a motivating factor, after which you won't need any more convincing to get your hands dirty with this awesome programming language. JavaScript engineers are among highly paid professionals, and there are plenty of job opportunities out there that offer high paying salaries to skilled JavaScript engineers. Let's take a look at some average salaries that are offered to JavaScript engineers and open positions that you can apply to once you have understanding and command of this language. Okay, so here we have a job opening on Flipkart website for UI engineer, and let's have a look at what is the job requirement. So let's have a look at what is the skill requirement for this job. You need experience with JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Jira, Jenkins, Git, ES6. So as you can see, JavaScript is the language you need to know for this particular job opportunity. And let's check out how much is the salary offering for this particular job opening. So as you can see here in the search result, it says that typical Flipkart UI engineer salary ranges from 21 lakhs 90,244. UI engineer salaries at Flipkart can range from 17 lakhs 90,835 to 31 lakhs 59,690. This is an estimate based upon 10 Flipkart UI engineer salary reports. So this particular result is from a Glassdoor website. I think it's quite authentic because Glassdoor is a big company. So let's take a look at another job opportunity. Let's for instance see the another job opportunity, which is a front-end engineer role at Amazon, and see what we have the skill requirement for this particular job. It says the basic qualification is bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineering or related technical disciplines, or equivalent experience, 2+ years of professional front-end development, skills with common front-end technologies such as HTML, CSS and JavaScript again here, deep experience with one or more of the relevant front-end frameworks such as React, which is basically a library developed on JavaScript itself. Okay, so let's check out how much is the salary offering for this particular job at Amazon. Let's see what is the pay package for front-end engineer at Amazon. So as you can see from the Glassdoor website, again we have a snippet from Google search here, which says that front-end engineer salaries at Amazon can range from 23 lakhs 64,072 to 25 lakhs 65,473 per annum. Impressive, isn't it? So similarly, you can take a look at different e-commerce website or different startups like for instance say Make My Trip. They also have an opening for front-end engineering, and if we go down in the requirements section, you will see they say They require design. They have a design round which includes HTML, responsive web development knowledge, basically HTML CSS knowledge you have to have. Then they have a solution review wherein you require knowledge of JavaScript, jQuery, HTML, CSS. Okay, so let's take a look at another company, Myntra, and they have a requirement for technical lead front-end storefront in Bengaluru, Karnataka, India. So let's take a look at the skill requirement for this particular job. If you scroll down to desired skills and experience section, you can clearly say what they want for this. You have to have excellent programming skills in HTML, CSS 3, and in-depth strength and experience in JavaScript. So again, you have to be good at JavaScript for this particular job again. And if we take a look at another company, Facebook for instance, they have a requirement for front-end engineer in London, United Kingdom headquarters. And let's take a look at the requirements for this particular job. The minimum qualification is that you have to have experience of JavaScript, and includes concept like asynchronous programming, closures, types, and ES6, experience with React, which is JavaScript framework library. Then you have to have experience in HTML, CSS, which includes concepts like layout, specificity, cross-browser compatibility, and accessibility. So again, you have to have the knowledge of JavaScript for this particular job as well. So we have another company called Canva. It's a design startup based in Sydney, Australia. So they have a requirement for graduate software engineer, JavaScript front end. Again, they require JavaScript front-end experience with this particular job. So you will only love this job if you are comfortable working in JavaScript, but the background in any language is fine. That's what the job description says. And jumping to the another company, we have Automattic. Automattic is basically the parent company of the famous blogging software WordPress. They have opening for senior JavaScript engineer. And let's take a look at the requirement. You are passionate about and are rock solid and have a rock solid understanding of core JavaScript language, HTML and CSS3. So you have to be proficient in JavaScript, HTML and CSS for this particular job opening as well. Similarly, you have various job openings at different companies, different startups, different software companies, e-commerce companies, whatever you may like to apply for, and chances are that all of them have an opening for JavaScript engineering position. So I think now you are quite pumped up, motivated and inspired to learn this awesome programming language. With that said, I would like to end this video here, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned.